Hi, let's learn these words in the Kikuyu language. A son, muru. My son, muru wakwa. Your son, muru waku or muruguo. His son or her son, muruwe or muru wake. A daughter, mwari. My daughter, mwari wakwa. Your daughter, mwariguo or mwari waku. His or her daughter, mwariwe or mwari wake. My sister, mwari wa maitu. Your sister, mwari wa nyukwa. Although since the name nyukwa is rarely used by young people, you can say mwari wa maitu wanyu or mwari wa mami wanyu. Her sister, mwari wa nyina. My brother, muru wa maitu. Your brother, muru wa nyukwa or muru wa mami wanyu. His or her brother, muru wa nyina. A female cousin, mwari wa tata or mwari wa mama. A male cousin, muru wa tata or muru wa mama. In church, we call each other muru wa ithe witu, my brother, or my brother in the Lord, because we believe or we know that God is our father. Ithe witu means our father. We also say mwari wa ithe witu. Yes, mwari wa ithe witu. Okay, bye.